What's going on, everyone? Welcome to another video. Now today I have managed to get my hands on something very special. It is the Davidoff Small Batch No. 7. Now this is a 6x55 Toro Gordo-ish cigar and super limited numbers. Less than 500 of these are available on the UK market, and we've got the exclusives on them, so you're not going to be able to find these from anyone else. I'm looking very much forward to this. I'm getting some really nice hay notes. It's so well constructed, it's just beautiful. It's got an Ecuadorian wrapper and Dominican filler and binder, so you've got that kind of nice complexity between the wrapper and the filler and binder. I'm really looking forward to this. I've not had one before. Let's get it cut and lit and let's see where it goes. So guys, I'm just about into the first third of this cigar, and I've been treated to some real nice signature Davidoff hay notes. There's some dark chocolate in there, and there's a real nice pepperiness that's kind of lingering on the finish, and that's been balanced out, and I'm just catching it on the back there, which is a real nice fresh espresso note that's coming through. Really enjoyable. So this is the largest ring gauge in the small batch series, and like I said, less than 500 of these cigars have made it over to the UK, and we've got all of them exclusive to you guys. So if you want to pick up one of these, you're not going to want to miss out on them. They're not going to be around forever, and they're an unbelievable cigar. I'm going to keep carrying on with this. Let's see where the middle third takes me. I'm expecting quite a lot. I love Davidoff cigars, and I'm sure this is going to be one of those ones that I'm going to wish that I could get my hands on more. I'll see you in a bit. So guys, I've just about come through into the second third of this cigar, and the flavours have continued to just develop and deepen and just been super beautiful. The dark chocolate is still balancing around, and that pepperiness and espresso notes that I've been getting on the finish. I'm putting this cigar down and I'm just looking at it going, wow, simply stunning. The ash is holding very nicely, real nice stacks of ash all the way along there. And it's just a real nice cigar to hold, to look at, and the flavors are phenomenal. The room note, you guys are gonna miss out on this, but the room note is simply beautiful. I'm gonna carry on with this cigar. Let's see where it goes. I'll see you in a few. So guys, I'm just about coming into the final third of this cigar. The ash has just dropped off, and it's left me that lovely pyramid of tobacco that just shows that the center leaves are burning slower than the wrapper, which is a beautiful sign of a well-constructed cigar. The notes have kind of changed a little bit. The hay and the dark chocolate have kind of dropped away, and there's a citrusy, almost orange peel note coming through, which nice tartness that's coming in. And there's a wintry star anise and cinnamon that's just come through as well, and it's perfect time of year for this. I've really enjoyed this cigar. Like I said, I had no idea of what the taste were going to be like. It's been simply stunning. Like I said, the ash has just fallen off just before I took off the small batch band just around there, but it's going very well. I'm really enjoying it. I've never had a bad Davidoff, and this definitely isn't a bad Davidoff. It's a super beautiful one. I'm going to carry on with this. I'm going to see what the final third has got in store. I'll come and tell you exactly what it's like in a few seconds. So guys, I've just about come to the end of my time with this cigar today, and the final third, those notes have really just developed into some super beautiful complexities and really nice balances and comparisons. So the chocolatiness has been balancing on the roof of my mouth. The star anise and that cinnamon Christmassy notes have really come through. I wasn't expecting those at all. And like I said, I've never had a bad Davidoff cigar, and this definitely is not a bad Davidoff cigar. It's simply stunning. Very limited availability. You're not going to want to miss out on these. Head over to the website now to pick yourself up one. That's cigars.com, cigars.com. And if you've liked this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And until next time, please take care of yourselves. Peace.